Hi guys, welcome back to the second episode of our series, which is Dorks. As you know, there was some kind of technical problem with our first episode, so please forgive about that because I'm the beginner on this field. That's why it's been some kind of problem with that episode. So on this episode, we'll talk about what is dogs. So we'll see everything about the dogs, like how you found, how you report their dogs as well. We'll not go very deep on the dogs because you guys know what is dogs. So I will just give you the hints how you found the dogs on the internet. So let's start our video. So if we talk about the Google Docs, there are a lot of things to understand. What are the syntax you have to use, and what are the things you need to source on that syntax. Everything you have to understand first. So I will not teach that syntax or anything like that. I will just give you how you find this docs on the Google. So let's start with some example. So I have the PDF of that docs over here. So I will just simply copy one kind of docs. So I will just copy the simple one. Okay, let's see. I will just type index.php. So if you just type this, so they will I think just give it to the what are the information that you will find on the index.php. They will just show that. So if you need any index.php on any specific target, suppose I need on canva.com, so they will give index.php on Canva only. So you can see only the Canva outside has been given. So if you want in Amazon.com, the only the Amazon.com index.php will be so over here. So this is the way you will find the docs. So if you go to the next example, so if you type file type.idb.admin, it will show the database log file may contain certain info, and I will just copy this, and if I just simply paste over here, so you can see here some kind of information it will show on this website, but I will not go inside that. So it will, I think the website will redirect to the next website. That's why I'm not gonna go inside this. So if I go to the next example, so let's try this one. So you can see here the unprotected directories has been shown over here. So if I just go inside this, so you can see here the password change event or so I think they have fixed this issue. I think someone has reported this door. So how can you find that some person have already found these doors or not on the Google? So there is one website which is exploit database. I think you guys know .com. So simply go over here and go to the GHDV, and you can see that a lot of doors has been published by this website. So this is the docs, and this is the category. What are the category they have found? So they have found very file containing to see information. So this is the author. So I also have reported on this site. So I think I think my name is on the top. I think just yesterday I just reported one new one. So that's why my name is on the top. You can see over here. So I found this doc, and these dogs have very juicy information. So if you simply find source kind of dogs, so you can just simply report to them. So I will also teach how to report and how to mail to them. I will just wait for that. So you can see that this very you can find very juicy information over here. So I think this site is already fixed. So we'll go to the next one. If I go to this, okay, we'll see over here what are the things that we can find over here. So amazed. So I think there's nothing. If I just go back, there is admin page. So there's no any kind of information. I think if I just remove password modify, I think what kind of things we will see. Okay, so I think it is of movie. There was something pish. What is pish? Let's see. Spread. Oh, this is the HTML. Oh, this is the HTML file of this website. You can see this kind of information we can found by the docs. So I will just provide this PDF, or you can find on the internet as well. So don't worry about that. So just simply understand this syntax. So this is the syntax on the front of the docs. We'll teach you how to report if you found any kind of new docs on this website. So I think I have made some I think mail. Okay, you can see here. So this is the mail. You can just simply go on the Gmail or any type of mail you can go. So just send to this mail. So just type my name is this, and I would like to report a new Google Docs. So they will see and describe the docs what you found. Suppose in over here in title or anything can be, suppose if this is the new docs we found on the internet. So if I just I will just copy this, I'll paste over here, and I will send to the this mail. So the Google Docs give us information or juicy information. You will just type or what are the things you found. Just type over here and type your name and just send to this mail. So they will check your dogs. If your dog have some kind of information or juicy information, anything what you just reported to them, they will just see and they will publish on their website. you can see it, they will publish as like this. So they will give you the ID and this author of your docs, and what are the docs you found on the Google. So this is the way they will publish on their website, which is a data exploit database. So it is very good website. You can find a lot of CVs, anything the box they have written before. So this is the way you will find the Google Docs. So we'll just move to the next doc, which is Sudan Docs. So it is also very good website. You will find a lot of things on this website. So let's move to that Sudan. So I'll just simply remove this. So I'll go to Sudan. So I think you guys know what is Sudan. It's very good to find, and it's all the kind of vulnerability that has been found, or anything leak information, everything you will find on the Sudan. So so every bug hunter or every ethical hacker or hacker will use this sort engine. So I will just log in. So let's talk about the docs. So if you just simply type org, and if you type org means what are the organization, what do you want to find. I want to find canva.com. so I'll just type canva.com. So there is no result, and that means I have to just put this .com. Sorry, again I just make mistake, I think. So there is no any result. So if I type amazon.com, so let's see what we will find. So you can see this is the IP address of this Amazon. So this is all the information you can find on the Sudan docs. So you can see here this in the India there are 250767 hosts, and you can see everything about this Amazon.com. So I think these are the open IP address might be. Yeah, you can see like this. You can search like this on org. So if I go to the next, if you need IP, suppose IP equals to 192.168.0.0. If I just type IP and enter, let's see what kind of information we'll see on this IP. So why is taking a lot of time? I'll just type 0. Okay, let's try next one. So if you type net and 192.168.0.1 and 24/24. So why is taking a lot of time to load? My internet is not good. I think it's good internet. So let's try next one. So if I type country equals to USA, let's see what we will see on country. So I think so you can see here what we found on the country. So these are the IP address or website or live website that we found on the USA, which have some kind of information. If I go over inside and discover the new map quest, if I go inside over here, you can see all the information about this target. So if Cloudflare, HTTP, everything we found on about this IP address. So if you just SN, ASN, so if you just copy this and if you just use on nmap, you can find the information about this ASN. And the Cloudflare is Amazon Global, everything will found on this Sudan. So if I just type the next one, that is OS. So OS, if you type window, so I think window. So if I just choose the next one, OS equals to canva.com and enter. So it has limited. I think that's why it has shown that daily search limit has been this. So you can search the Sudan on your through the your terminal as well. So let's see how you download the Sudan by your you can just simply search your Sudan or through the terminal as well. So let's see how you download the Sudan and how you install your API. So if I just simply type apt install Sudan, so simply install Sudan. So I already have Sudan. So if I just Sudan and in it, and this is the API key. So you can see API key over in account, and this is the API key. Just simply copy this API key and copy and just paste over here. So if I just paste and just enter, so if the API key is valid, they will just successfully initialize. So I think it is initialized. So if I just type Sudan -L, So you can say this is the command. This is the way you can find a student Dorks. So I think the terminal have or the tool have more features than the website. So that's why I recommend to use this tool rather than the website. So it is very easy to use this student as well. So I will not go very deep the same thing again and again. So I will just go to the next target, which is GitHub Dorks. So let's see what is GitHub Dorks. So if I just go to the GitHub. So go inside it. So if you have account, then just log in. So if you don't have account, then just make account and just log in. So I already have account, so I have already logged in over here. So now just it's time to search. So what do you need? So there are a lot of things you can find on the GitHub as well. So if you found very good a file on the GitHub also, they will provide a very good bounty. So if I just type file name is equals to database, then I will just simply enter. I think I have to put dot. I think. No. I will just type next one. I will just type file name dot passwd. We'll just enter, and they will give all the password dot png. You can see here. So if I just go inside over here, so you can find very juicy information over here. So you just search it, and you will get some kind of information over here. So if I just simply go to the next one, that is file name, and the file name is let's put database dot yml. So let's see what we find on yml. Sorry, I think there is nothing in the yml. Oh, I just typed a mistake. Oh, there is, I think, topic 1 million, and I think there is nothing on yml. So let's put next one. Keychain. Let's put keychain. So inside keychain also, I think there is nothing. So there is, I think, over keychain. So if I just spring we go, there is nothing on keychain also. So let's move to the next one. Let's go to the language. Then the language is equals to PSP, and okay, let's PSP. So you can see here all the PSP file has been shown over here. So if I just simply go inside one, let's see what kind of thing we'll see. So this is all the PSP folder, which is published by this user. So if you go inside and if you take everything, you can find some kind of information inside this folder. And if you find any kind of leak information, then just report to the website or the target. They will just provide you the very good bounty. And I think there is more. Okay, payload SQL payloads. Sorry, I just language is equals to Python. So I think there is nothing on Python. I just put JSON. So I think there is nothing on JSON as well. So you can search by the date also if you need the what are the things that has been published on any specific days. Suppose if you want on 2022, suppose 23. Let's put January 01, and if you in January, if you want 12, let's see, and there is some kind of on 12. There was nothing. I think there is nothing on 12. So let's put 1. I think there is not on 1 also. Let's put 11. Let's put 20. Okay, 18. There is nothing on 18 as well, I think. Let's put next one, 22/01. And there is nothing on 2022 also. If I just simply type the next, no, there is nothing on this date also. So this is the way you can find out about the date also. So simply just simply type the date, and if there is some kind of information that has been published on that date, they will just simply show, and you can find some kind of information on that file, and just simply just report to this user or the target person. So these are the websites that a lot of people and a lot of bug hunters use on their daily life to find the different kind of vulnerabilities or different kind of bugs on the different kind of target. So these are similar with everyone use the Dorks. So I teach every step how we found the Dorks on the internet. So if I just simply say that if you found anything on the Dorks, then simply report to them. And if the website is very good, suppose if you found the Dorks on Amazon or if any kind of very big organization, they will provide you very good reward of bounty. If you found anything, then don't trust their any file or any folder. because it will be illegal, and if you found on the legal way, just report it and get a very good bounty. So this is our second episode has been ended. So if you like our video, then just subscribe and share with your friend as well. So always be connected with us. So if you have any queries, just comment below and I will put my Instagram over down, so if you can DM on my Instagram also. So let's see for the next episode on our next week. So be always connected. Thank you.